Of the cushion shots are really important shots to practice because they help you to get into the break building scoring positions. Also, it works on your mechanical side, your stance, your address position, and making sure that your action is nice and smooth. So what I do, I use those 5 balls here above the black and 1 red below the black. And my task is to put the red, get position of cushion for the black. So usually what I do, I put the red using about 2 ball or 1 ball gap of the cushion. So that's point number 1. And I also, what I do to make my cueing good, after the shot, I move backswing and stay still with the chin and cue, because that allows me to have a proper contact with the cue ball. So it looks like this, if I play off cushion, backswing, and keeping chin and cue together. Crucial mistakes are when you are dropping your elbow like that or not finishing before the chest, okay? So right now, my task is to put all the reds without mistakes. So, I start with this angle. And as I said, I'm gonna use the same principles. If I put the ball, I move on. I keep chin and cue together. So your stance has to be very balanced. I keep my everything shoulder distance apart, making sure that everything is nice and stable. So look to the angle, making sure that the bridge is stable as well. Very important thing. And now, when you miss the shot, this is the most important part. You got to make a feedback. What happened? Why you missed that shot? And the reason why I missed that shot, because my cue went to the left. And why it went to the left? Because I make my transition a little bit too quick. Too short backswing, and then I a little bit snatched. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make my backswing a bit longer, hold the pause a bit longer, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So I'm just using my observation to improve my cueing. And because now I did my backswing smoother, longer, my cue direction remained on the line which I intended. And when I practice by myself, I try to get not only result, but the feeling inside what I need to do to get this ball. Chin and cue, proper backswing, proper length, hit smooth, keep the body still. Those shots are really difficult when you are not in form, or when I'm filming, I'm kind of out of the sync, so not easy to do. So now again, I'm gonna play this shot. I'm gonna keep the same principles. Proper backswing, chin and cue, stay still. And stay still for the longer time. Make sure that chin and cue connected. Make sure that the cue is not lifting up. Very, very important. And moving on. Off the cushion, chin and cue. So now I understand what exactly, in my case, I need to do to get everything what I want to need. Proper cueing, proper position, proper technique. Choking behind the line, keeping the routine consistent, So this time, yes, I got the pot, but I felt that a little bit went to the left. Maybe I was pretty quick on transition, but it was like a kind of 80-90% correct. The last shot is the toughest. Off cushion, position here. So you can check the angle if you feel that you're not off. If you're off, now that is interesting. So I felt that the cue went a little bit to the right. So what happened here? Probably I was aiming too high on the cue ball, and I kind of felt that I hit it not as good as I can. So I think I need to be a little bit lower on the cue ball so I could control it. So kind of jack up. Yes, that was correct. I got the feedback. And to make it more interesting, I have to repeat my success. And the reason is to get a feeling what it feels like to do correct. Okay? Those are tough shots. It can be easily missed by any player, even Ronnie. Yes. So in this situation, I kind of have to aim lower, make a longer pause, and then in my case, I hit this ball much better. Yes. Come on, let's make 3 times in a row. When I trade by myself, I make it 3 times in a row. Lighter grip. Yes. 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 So when I teach my students, like you see right now, when they make a mistake, especially when this is not too difficult, I try to make them repeat this mistake for 3 times in a row, not only to get the ball, but to get inside. What makes them to put the ball? This is how to train. And this off cushion shot is very interesting. Not only you work on your balance technique, but you work on making cue ball properly, proper position, work on your technique, feeling technique. You can even close your eyes to feel the technique. And this is the framework what I recommend you to use in your solo practice to improve it. And this is what I do in my mentorship programs. If you are interested, follow for more. All the information below the description box. If you enjoyed the content, guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, see you soon.